Welcome back to my channel, guys. And in this video I brought uh, for you a new interesting earbuds which costing absolutely on $9. So I would say that this is the one of the best earbuds that comes under $9. So if you are here to buy earbuds which exactly you know will give you lot of the things and means in just low price, if you're looking for a good value for money, then definitely this earbud you go to. So in this video what I'm gonna share you about exactly the specification. We can see the specification and comparing the specification with the price, that is this the really earbud is value for money or not, and what exactly you are getting in this price. So yeah, definitely subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. And yeah, let's get started to this video. So the earbud brand is YOHOTA, and this exactly a very good brand that actually producing a lot of the good earphones. So if you see the Bluetooth headphones, the Bluetooth is 5.3, and there are some mics, and definitely in the earbud there are ENC support. So let's see what exactly we have under on $9. So what we can see, the battery 6 hour music time. That means that if you charge once if you charge your earbud, so your earbud will be last for 6 hour after when you play the song. So it is actually, yeah, good considering the price. And you can see also your charging level of each earbuds. 4 hours of talk time. So if you are listening to music, then the earbud will be last for 6 hours. But if you are only on call, so your earbud, you can this will be last for 4 hours. So there are, as we can know, that there are some various features are there in earbuds, that it is actually a totally on totally a touch control earbud. So we know that all the features, that if we want to use it, that on a single click you can pick the call, and on the double click you can cut the call. So this is what exactly the features are. So what exactly the things is 13 of dynamic drive super subwoofer. That means that the quality will be good. Afterwards we will be seeing the overall review what exactly the product is. So 13 is exactly a good sound quality earbud. So now exactly earbud weight only, so this that's it only for this. So now we will see the review. So here what's the review is, uh let's see it. Great quality for the price. Wireless Bluetooth therefore are easy to pair and awesome sound. What I like the most is the sound quality and battery life inside the. So people are more having a good experience of sound quality good. This earbud offers surprisingly good sound quality at an affordable price. So USB-C charging unit with an LED. So that means that this product is actually good in terms of sound quality. Many best ones. So this is what exactly we can see, the product is very good. So by you can blindly you can take this product because the review rating is also good, so the customer review is also good. So definitely this product is a value for money under $9. So your money will not be lost, something like that. So you are actually getting a good product in this price range. So I would recommend you, yeah, you can buy this product. Yeah, thank you for watching this video, and yeah, do subscribe and press the bell notification icon.